Hello and welcome back to another day. As you saw on the last video, we got a fair bit done. Got a bit of colour in, some red, and finished off a bit of white. And now we're going back to the black because I'm going to try and get this bottom half done as best we can. There's obviously a little bit of colour still in down there and white. But we'll put some black in today, see how it goes. Hopefully you like what I'm doing and you're sticking with me. So let's crack on. So we've got a little bit more done while the battery was off. Changed the battery again now, and we're getting closer by the minute, thank goodness. So we'll just crack on, get as much done as we can. I can see the finish line somewhere, So we'll just keep going and see where it takes us. Okay, hope you're enjoying this. Okay, so with a fair bit of it done there, I'd say most of the black, apart from a bit of shading that I might do later. So the next step, I'm going to mask out stuff, but before I mask it out, I'm going to put some sealer over the whole thing, and hopefully that'll just help when it comes to masking. Hello and welcome back to what I think is going to be the last day, depending on how many mistakes I'm going to have to fix along the way. So what we're going to do today, hopefully, is I've just masked off these bits. I'm going to put some yellow in there, some yellow down there and down there, and then I think that's it. There's a little bit of red to go in there, and then I'll mix up some black because I can see a couple of places where I've scratched it off. And I'm going to just put in a bit of shadow. I might even put a bit of black with blue in there because I'm kind of getting a reflection of blue in the screen. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. I've mixed up a bit of yellow already. Next job, let's take this masking tape off. Touch wood, we have no problems with it sticking to the wall, the door, should I say. Okay, and with the magic of YouTube, I'm now back. Everything's been cleared off. We have all the masking off. This is our final offering, should I say. And you're probably wondering, how have I ended up in my Christmas jumper? Well, it's Christmas Eve. I've just finished all this. And I wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I wanted to say thank you for all this year, everybody looking at the channel, whether it's Out with Jack or Airbrush Ways. And if you're not already, I would love for you to go onto YouTube and subscribe to one or both of those channels and help me grow this particular channel. So it just leaves me to say I hope you have a Merry Christmas. So Michael Dunlop on the Tyco BMW at the TT races. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm Jack, this is Airbrush Ways, and thanks for being out with Jack. Have a great Christmas and have a great new year, and we'll speak to you soon. Okay, thank you, bye.